What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video. Um, Today I picked up my fourth pistol from the California Handgun roster. Oh, I apologize for my voice, and your boy just got a little sick. But anyways, it's probably one of the best handguns they could pick up from the roster right out of the box. The price range is all right. After taxes, comes out to like $600. But yeah, I've been wanting this gun for a cool minute. Ever since I got into guns, I wanted to get one. It's almost the same size as my macro. I don't know if you guys can tell the macro right here, clear. But yeah, almost the same size. I love this gun. Shot it like at the range the other day from my other video. Pretty neat. Broken in, so decided to end up getting one of these. Anyways, so let's get straight back into the unboxing. I'm pretty sure from the case alone, you guys could already tell what I got. So today we end up getting a Glock 19. A freaking Glock 19. Let's focus it real quick. Yeah, so we got a Glock 19. I got the FDE or the ODG version though, because I don't know, it wouldn't be different. I didn't want to get a black one. So yeah, I got it for a good price. Could never beat the price I got it from. I'm gonna gatekeep though, like how I gatekeep the place where I shot the other video at. But yeah, nothing too crazy. We have a Glock 19 Gen 3 from the roster. See the color? I love it. Sits perfect on my hand. Probably need to get a stipple. It's a little slippery though. Like the polymer on it's a little slippery. One thing that I noticed straight out of the box was this thing was hella dry. So I have to go lube it real quick. So in California, it will come with 2 magazines, cable, speed loader, cleaning brush, and whatever this thing is for the cleaning brush. But yeah, I've been wanting this gun for a cool minute. It's because when I shot it, and I was like, damn, that's pretty smooth for a out of the box gun when I had my Ruger. And for my first gun, it was either between this or the Ruger, but I didn't know anything about guns, so I decided to go with the Ruger, and it was the cheapest one. But now that I'm deep into it, man, I wish I could have got this first, because I ended up selling the Ruger at a local gun store. Well, it was a guy that bought it, but through PPT. I'm gonna talk about how it actually sits on my hand. So with my webbing of my palm, it sits all the way up. It fills all the gap in my pinky, as you can tell. I just hate the grip on it. Like it's so slippery for me. For people with sweaty palms, it's not the best for you, bro. I need to get a tape or something. But yeah, the grip, that's my only complaint. Slick. I'm probably gonna, I don't know, man. It's really bulky, so I mean, I guess you'll have more control. When I shot it, it felt pretty good, but it's just the grip. I kind of don't like the grip, but I've been wanting it, so here I am. All right, y'all. It's the next day. This is the Glock 19 Gen 3 that I put together. So I ended up going with a Mercury Precision ported barrel, as you can see right there. It came with R&R cut. Swapped out all the internals that came with the slide to the OEM ones. Changed out the spring, the recoil spring, to a 15-pound, I believe. Shrek Industries Magwell, Surefire X300 Ultra, the A version, so I can just easily like clip it back. And then I have the 407C. Shout out to Ryan from Wayne's Firearms in Lakewood. He hooked it up with the Cross Armory kit with the extended mag release, the slide lock or something. And then this is a Glock OEM side lock. Upgraded the pins. The only thing not upgraded is basically the trigger, the internals in the trigger. I just want to shoot it more before upgrading all of that. I also did suppressor height sights, as you can tell. Can you guys see it? As you can tell, I did some. Yeah, I went with the suppressor height sights for just easier co-witness. I don't know if I can. Anyways, yeah. Went with that. I didn't want to get my grip stippled yet, so I just ended up wrapping it with athletic tape. So far, so good. I'm gonna shoot it some more before I do any trigger work because I don't wanna. I just want to get familiar with the gun even more, you know. But yeah, that's it. It's probably the best bang for your buck with the California Handgun roster is the Glock 19. Hopefully this helps for the people building out or starting in the 2A community in California. If you guys have any questions, let me know. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.